Hi, I'm Travis. I work at CTM Customs. Today we're going to be installing a Zone 5-inch lift kit. All right, so this is a 2020 Chevy 2500. What we're going to do today with it is we're going to put a set of Method race wheels on it. They're 18, and we're going to do a Zone 5-inch lift. Highly recommend Zone. We love installing them here. Everything bolts up nice, everything fits nice. Very smooth install on all of their products. 5-inch is super common for the new trucks because just like the Trail Boss, you know, the new trucks are bigger than the previous generation. So even a 5-inch lift looks huge on them. So other features of this lift kit that make it a good lift kit is it uses a different steering knuckle. That means by using this and having it a bigger knuckle, it'll help maintain factory geometry without having to do different drop brackets and stuff to move control arms. Other than the lower control arms being moved by these cross-member drops, the upper control arms stay in the same place in the factory location. That's gonna help it drive better over bumps. You're gonna have less bumps here. The other thing this lift kit does is it moves everything, so everything works as it should from the factory. So you've got bump stop extensions, it relocates the diff. It's got a new scraping plate to still protect the diff after it gets lowered. You've got extended sway bar links that are greasable now. This kit also, we went with Fox shocks. These ride awesome. They come with BDS suspension, a few other high-end suspensions. Zone has it as an option. I believe it's a couple $100 more, absolutely worth it. This kit came with steel braided brake lines. I like using these because they're more durable than the rubber ones from factory, as well as you don't need a factory sort of brake line drop bracket. This to me looks a little bit better, a little more high performance, and you may not feel a difference, but these are a little bit stiffer than the factory brake lines, so you get less sort of error when you push the brake pedal, so the brakes will feel a little bit better. Not much, but a little bit. All right, so with this particular truck, nowadays everybody's trying to get rid of chrome, going blackout on everything. This one we're embracing the chrome, so it's going to be red and chrome. We went with a nice brushed aluminum wheel from Method Race Wheels. It's a 18. The truck, we're not getting rid of any of the chrome. We're keeping the chrome bumper, the chrome grille, the handles, everything. So it's going to be, you know, we're embracing it. We're keeping all chrome stuff. It's a little bit break away from the blackout like we've been doing with pretty much everything else, like the one we have next to us. So it's going to be, it'll be a nice change of pace. I think it's going to look nice. So the wheel that we went with was a Method race wheel, 18-inch wheel. The customer did not want to go 20s. Traditionally, what we've been doing on the newer trucks is larger wheels. The customer likes the off-road look. He likes chrome, so this is the wheel we ended up with. And it's a nice brushed finish. The first thing you want to do, obviously, when you pick wheels is make sure they fit the truck, make sure they're a good offset for the lift kit that you chose. Back spacing is very important with lift kits, especially when you change the knuckle. This particular wheel actually would not fit that lift kit unless we used a spacer. So we're going to have a 2-inch spacer to make it so that the back spacing will work with this truck. So, like I said, the customer didn't want to go with a 20. A 20 would have given us more options, but with an 18, this ended up being the best option. It looks great. First thing you want to do, test fit it on the truck. You're going to put it on the hub, make sure lug pattern's correct, you're not hitting the brake, you're not hitting anything, tie rods. Then once that's good to go, you put the new sensors in, put the tire on it. After the lift kit's done, you put the wheel on and you're good to go. Also, with most wheel brands, if you put the tire on, you mount the wheel to the truck, you own the wheel. So make sure that the wheel fits the truck before you do anything other than test fit it. So once you've test fit it, you're 100% confident it's good, then go ahead and mount it, put the sensor in, mount it on the truck, good to roll. We've got Fox Adventure Series shocks in here. We've got steel braided brake lines, different knuckles. It's got cross member drops. All of that maintains factory ride quality even though the truck's been lifted. So you can expect this to ride comfortable and smooth just like it did from Chevy. I hope you guys liked the video of the overview for the Zone 5-inch kit for the 2020 Chevy. In future videos, we're going to do complete builds and show a full installation process of a lift kit. It might not be the specific vehicle, but there's going to be multiple vehicles in the future. Please like, comment, share, let us know what you think.